Hello, people. Right, stop. This is DIY, and I'm your creative genie, Akash. जहां है आकाश का साया, वहां हर जगह दिखती है डेकोरेटिव डिजाइनर छाया. वैसे आज मैं थोड़ा बिजी हूं. Yesterday, you see, I printed a few pictures of mine. वो क्या है ना, I've done this project for my friend also. कुछ हफ्तों पहले एक फ्रेंड ने मुझे कॉल किया, कहता आकाश, I've shifted to a new apartment. तो मैं चाहता हूं कि परमानेंटली अपनी पिक्चर्स को वॉल पे माउंट ना करूं. I want to do something creative, something magical with my pictures. तो उसने अपने कुछ प्रोफेशनल पिक्चर्स मुझे मेल कर दी. I like the project so much. मैंने सोचा सेम चीज मैं अपने घर के लिए भी करता हूं. You know, whenever someone needs anything creative or magical, he turns to Moe, Akash, creative genius. एक मिनट, क्या कर रहा है आकाश? मॉडेस्टी नाम की कोई चीज होती है? लोग क्या सोचेंगे तेरे बारे में? बेवकूफ. I'm a humble guy. I'm a down to earth guy. I'm a very nice guy. Welcome to DIY, which is your show. So I have a few very amazing ideas for you, जो अपने घर में already मैं try कर चुका हूं. I'm sure you're gonna like them. First, we'll need cardboard. Now, cut strips like these from the cardboard piece. Now, fold it in round shape like this and paste it either by using double tape or glue. Here we go. Now, from the same cardboard, cut a round piece big enough to cover the base. And then paste the circle on the strip. Here we go, like this one. Now, take printouts of your pictures and cut them in the same shape and size. Similarly, you can make these circles of various sizes and उसी के accordingly cut your pictures. Now, take your picture and paste it. Here we go. Let it dry for a while. Here's my sweet family. Similarly, you can paste the pictures inside also. Here are a few I made for my home. First, I am proud to be self-obsessed. And as I said, in some of these, you can paste the pictures inside also. So the basic idea is, you make a collage of it. In the sense, on the wall, nail some of these like this and fix another one on the side like this. You can either nail them or use double tape. Now, for the next project, you'll need plywood pieces. Take any old plywood piece. Then first thing is, using a drill machine, make 2 holes at the top, जिससे कि rope इसके आर पार जा सके, so that later on you can use that rope to hang it wherever you want. Then paint it using spray paint. My suggestion is use black color, क्योंकि black color पे pictures clear दिखती हैं. Before we start painting, DIY का rule: use newspaper. then let it dry. Once it's dry, use rope. Make the rope go through these holes. As I said, later on you can use the rope to hang it wherever you want. And then take your photographs and paste them on this plywood piece. So you'll have for your house a decorative, vintage looking wall hanging with yours, your friends, your family's pictures on it. It looks quite authentic, quite vintage and is also personalized. मैंने यहाँ पर आपने जैसे कि देखा 3 plywood piece यूज किए हैं. हर plywood piece पे make holes, then take rope, cut pieces, make the rope pieces go through these holes और बाद में tie a knot behind. This way, attach these 3 pieces. You can use more plywood pieces also and then hang it wherever you want. Photo frame. Materials required are cardboard, glue or double tape, printouts of photographs, nails. Procedure is cut strips from the cardboard, fold them like a ring and then paste them using glue. Cut a circle from the cardboard to make it the base of the ring. Take printouts of your photographs and cut them in a circular shape. Stick them on the wall using nails or double tape. Your photo frame is now ready. Wall hanging photo frame. Materials required are plywood piece, drill machine, spray paint, rope, glue. Procedure is using a drill machine, make 4 holes in the corners of plywood and paint it using black color. Let it dry. Pass the rope through the holes. Paste your photographs on the plywood and your vintage wall hanging photo frame is ready. You can also connect more than 1 plywood piece with the rope. Love is like a deep sea. The more I give, the more I have. Love is life. वाह, what a writer. क्या लिखता हूं मैं. स्काई बाबा की जय. वैसे आपको क्या लगा? ये असली रोज है? हाँ, नकली रोज है. I made it home. एक लड़की ने इसका आइडिया मुझे दिया. A few months back, there was this girl chasing me all the time. थोड़ी सी क्रेजी थी, तभी तो मेरे पीछे थी. One day she came to me and said, I know you like me, so you better ask me out. मैंने कहा I don't like you. मुझे लगा भूल जाएगी. Next day she came to my place and said the same thing. कहा कि अगर कल मैंने उसे ask out नहीं किया, she's gonna do something crazy. अब मैं डर गया, करूं क्या? My friends used to make fun of me कि बेटा तू तो फंस गया. मैंने कहा आकाश को कोई फंसा नहीं सकता. What I did was I made such roses for her. उसे गिफ्ट दिया और बोला जिस दिन गुलाब मुरझा जाएगा I'll ask you baby because I like you too. And guess what? She's still waiting. क्योंकि एक ऐसा गुलाब है जो कभी मुरझाएगा नहीं. Process बहुत simple है. To make such gulabs or roses at home, we'll use these disposable plastic spoons. Now before we start the process, safety precaution. अपनी उंगलियों पे मास्किंग टेप बांध लीजिए. सेफ्टी इज फर्स्ट, DIY का रूल. नाउ लाइट अ कैंडल. टेक 1 spoon. Now, since I need only the spoon portion, this part, I'll cut off the remaining portion. So this way, after the main stem is made, keep on taking spoon pieces, उन्हें पिघला के चिपकाते रहिए. Once they start to melt a bit, it's easy to stick them to the other spoon. So, in similar fashion, keep melting the spoons and keep sticking them. Pretty soon, you'll have a flower like this, made of disposable plastic spoons. Now, to make it look more real, we're gonna color it using spray paint. Before that, as usual, use newspaper. Now, tear off a piece of paper and use it to cover the stem. Now, let it dry. And finally, presenting rose flower, which is going to last forever, like true love. Artificial roses. Materials required are disposable spoons, masking tape, scissor, spray paint, candle, newspaper. Procedure is: first wrap your fingers with masking tape for safety, then light a candle and partially melt one spoon, cutting off the head to make it the stem. Melt the heads of the other spoons and keep sticking them to the stem to make the petals. Cover the stem with the newspaper and color the stems. Your artificial rose is ready. 12 आना दे, तम्मा तम्मा लोगे, लड़की शहर की लड़की. You know, I used to love 90s का music. It was really cool. But what was cooler was the medium जिस पे हम 90s का music सुनते थे. Remember these cassettes? मतलब I still remember I used to call up my friends and borrow cassettes from them. साथ ही साथ एक blank cassette लेता था, उन songs को उस पे transfer कर लेता था, record कर लेता था. Making our own playlist, side A, side B, total 22 songs. But now, it's all history. Now is the time of rock music, pop music, those rappers, CDs, DVDs, Blu-ray. I'm sure post 2000 जो generation पैदा हुई है, they're gonna look at this cassette and gonna ask, ये क्या बला है? But मेरे लिए ये बला नहीं है. You know, for me, it's not about technology. It's about memories. And I love cherishing my memories. तो मैंने सोचा, जिन लोगों के लिए cassettes useless हैं, उनके लिए क्यों ना इसे useful बना दिया जाए. मेरे दिमाग में आया एक what a cool idea. So I'm gonna use these cassettes and gonna make a lamp for you. We'll need a sunboard piece, square shaped. Make a big hole in the center. Now, we'll take these cassettes and using adhesive. Now, we're gonna use these cassettes and stick them on the sunboard piece. Charo sides पर. I'll show you. So similarly, make another layer on top of this. Then take a lamp stand like this one. That's why I asked you to make a hole in the center. Then fix a bulb. So now I'm going to show you one I made previously, that is last night, where I made both the layers. Here we go. Now, fix the bulb. Wire को डालिए सॉकेट में and switch it on. कौन कहता है ये टेक्नोलॉजी आउटडेटेड है? Cassette lamp. Materials required are square sunboard piece, cassettes, adhesive, lamp stand, bulb, electric wire. Procedure is, first make a big hole in the center of the sunboard piece, then stick the cassettes on the sunboard piece vertically with glue. Take a lamp stand and pass the stand through the hole, affixing the sunboard. Fix a bulb in the middle and put the wire in the socket. Your cassette lamp is ready. Whenever I buy new shoes और मेरी मॉम को पता चलता है, मुझे इतनी सारी डांट पड़ती है. She hates this habit of mine. I love shoes. मेरे पास around I have 20 pairs of shoes. But still, I can't help it. I keep on buying new shoes. अब जितने मैं shoes खरीदता हूँ, उतने मेरे पास होते हैं खाली shoe box. And to be honest, they're quite nicely made and very sturdy. So it's a waste. It's actually a shame अगर इन shoe boxes को हम फेंक देते हैं. So मैंने सोचा, how about we use these shoe boxes and make something to make our house look more decorative, more colorful and more shiny. पहले तो we'll make a bangles holder. उसके लिए take off these parts of the shoe box. Like this one right here. Now, I'll take colored chart paper, color of your choice. So now, I'll wrap the shoe box using this colored chart paper. I am using stapler, but you can also paste it using glue. So once you wrap the shoe box properly, it's gonna look like this one. Then the next step is make holes on the sides of the shoe box. Then take a bamboo stick. इसमें bangles को इस तरह से डाल दीजिए. Now fix this bamboo stick in the box. Here we go. A box to keep your bangles. And now whenever ladies you want to take out your bangles, simply stick को एक तरफ से हटाइए. Take out the bangles and put it back. Nice, easy, convenient. Now, similarly, you can take other boxes, cover it with colored chart paper, then take a strip of glitter paper और उससे borders बना दीजिए. Paste it. And you can use these boxes as shelves. फोटो फ्रेम रख सकते हैं. You can keep any showpiece. Here we go. So if you have white walls के against colorful boxes look really decorative and very designer also. Now, similarly, you can actually make a picnic basket also using shoe box. Box को decorate कर लीजिए. Then we'll use ribbons. उसे attach कर देंगे so that you can carry it easily. You can hang it on your shoulder also. And further, you can paste another piece of ribbon to make it look more decorative. I have also used a button. So with your girlfriend, if you're going for a romantic getaway, a romantic picnic, अंदर ब्रेड है, चॉकलेट ब्रेड भी है, बिस्किट्स भी हैं, वाइन की बॉटल फिट हो ही जाएगी. नाउ शू बॉक्स का यूज तो हो गया. व्हाट अबाउट द शू बॉक्स का कवर? नाउ आई एम गोना शो यू व्हाट यू कैन डू विद द शू बॉक्स का कवर. फर्स्ट, यूज एनी डेकोरेटिव पेपर एंड कवर इट. देन take a sheet of glitter paper. Now, using this glitter paper, cover the top of the shoebox cover. And then use drawing pins, and your jewelry stand will be ready. To make it look more designer, more colorful, आपकी jewelry की तरह, I've used different glitter paper, different colors के. So यहाँ पर you can hang your jewelry. Be it your necklaces, be it your rings, chains. Here we go. You're welcome, ladies. Now, I'll show you how to make an office carry. First, place the shoebox on the lid of the box like this. Cover it with decorative paper or colored chart paper. Then, using scissors, cut it in this shape from both the sides. Then take a piece of cardboard and place it inside to make two separate compartments. So now in this shoebox, you can keep your books, DVDs, stationery items. To again brief, here I've used a big sized shoebox. Cut it in this shape from both the sides. Then place a cardboard piece inside to make two separate compartments. And now, इसे आप रख सकते हैं अपने ऑफिस के डेस्क पर, अपने स्टडी टेबल पर या फिर अपने लिविंग रूम में. Shoebox bangle holder. Materials required are shoebox, colored chart paper, stapler or glue, bamboo stick, thick needle. Procedure is: tear off the flaps of the shoebox, wrap the shoebox with the colored chart paper, staple the chart paper on the shoebox, fix a bamboo stick inside the box, and your bangle holder is ready. Shoebox shelves. Materials required are shoebox, colorful chart paper, glitter paper. Procedure is: cover the shoe boxes with the chart paper and decorate it with a strip of glitter paper by pasting it to the borders. You can now place photo frames, showpiece, or anything you like in it. Your shoebox showcase is ready. Picnic basket. Materials required are shoebox, ribbon, button, glue. Procedure is: decorate the shoebox and attach ribbons to it to carry it. Further decorate with ribbons and buttons. Your shoebox picnic basket is ready. Designer jewelry stand. Materials required are shoebox cover, decorative paper, glitter paper, drawing pins. Procedure is: use any decorative paper and cover it, and then cover the top with a glitter paper. Fix drawing pins on the tops of the cover and your jewelry stand will be ready. Office carry. Materials required are shoebox, decorative paper, cardboard, scissor, glue. Procedure is: place the shoebox on the lid of the box, cover it with decorative paper. Using a scissor, cut out triangular shapes at the corners. Use a cardboard to make compartments. Your office carry is now ready. जिस तरह शूज के साथ जरूरी होता है पहनना सॉक्स, घर को सजाने के लिए आप यूज कीजिए शू बॉक्स एंड दिस पीजे रॉक्स. ऑन दिस नोट इट्स टाइम टू से गुड बाय फॉर दिस वीक, पर मैं आपको मिलूंगा अगले हफ्ते. आपका फिक्सर आकाश बेरी. कीप वॉचिंग योर शो DIY.